Now in this session of video we are going to discuss class 7 science and the topic is nitrogen cycle. Okay, we have already discussed nitrogen fixation. At the end of this nitrogen fixation I asked you some questions, and one most important question I asked you that what happened when the total all the nitrogen is consumed by the human being and the plants. Is that nitrogen percentage goes on decreases regularly? And the answer is no. We know that 78%, approximately 78% nitrogen present at atmosphere. Clear? So at the end we will see that our day-to-day life the percentage of nitrogen is remaining 78. How it is possible that we are consuming regularly that nitrogen and the percentage remaining same? And the question is the nitrogen cycle. Clear? So how nitrogen, we know that we are discussing in nitrogen fixation that nitrogen is combined with a triple bond. Two molecules of nitrogen is combined with a triple bond, and this is very strong bond. This bond cannot be broken down easily. So to break down this bond we need a tremendous energy, lots of energy. So the energy is provided by, we can break down this bond by two methods. One a biological method, another is atmospheric fixation, and another biological fixation. Clear? So we'll discuss how we can break down this bond. So if two bonds are combined with the triple bond and during lightning the atmospheric nitrogen break down, and this atmospheric nitrogen is mixed with soil, the plants take up the nitrogen as its protein from the soil. Clear? In the process of photosynthesis. Clear? And grown up. So the plants is eaten by animals, also the human being. Clear? We take up nitrogen not directly, indirectly. How? The nitrogen is turned by the light mixed with the soil. Clear? And this is turned up, taken by the plants, and the plants is eaten by the animals. Clear? Also human being. And that nitrogen is secreted by human being and the animals as the nitrogenous waste. Clear? At the process of secretion from the aspiration, also at the time of death. When the animals died, it mixed into the soil, and some microorganism again turn into that nitrogen into nitrous gases, and it is mixed with the atmosphere again. So how human beings secrete that nitrogen compounds, nitrogenous waste, in form of aspiration. Clear? Also you have a smell of at the cow dung, you smell. So that is the gas released from that is nitrous wastage. Clear? Another method we have atmospheric, by the nitrogen fixation. Bacteria fix atmospheric nitrogen. Who's fixing nitrogen? The bacteria. Clear? And we have already discussed in nitrogen fixations. One of them is blue-green algae. Blue-green algae. Clear? So one of these is blue-green algae, which convert the atmospheric nitrogen into nitrogen compounds, and we have discussed nitrogen compounds are NH3. NH3 is ammonia, and NO2 nitrous. Clear? So what happened? The atmospheric nitrogen is now converted into useful compounds, ammonia, such as So these nitrogen compounds again mixed with the soil, taken by the plants again, clear, and are taken by the plants, animal eats, secreted by, and again mixed with the soil, clear. Now the very important is that some bacteria directly convert that nitrogen compounds into nitrogen gas, clear. So bacteria turn compound of nitrogen into the gaseous nitrogen. So some bacteria live in the soil that convert that directly into, and it is mixed with the atmospheric nitrogen, clear. So what happened, that the change start from atmospheric nitrogen and again finish with the atmospheric nitrogen, and due to this the percentage of nitrogen remaining same, clear. I hope it is clear to you. We will discuss now the question answer of this chapter.